Hey you guys, welcome to KJ's World, and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be waxing my armpits and my legs on camera for the first time for you guys. So as I'm doing it, it was my first time, so I'll be bringing y'all along with me. I'm kind of scared. But so shout out to Agnes for getting me hip to the hard waxing kit thing. So I bought mine from Amazon. It's called the Pro Wax 100. So here's like the top, and it has like the little bucket, and I believe you can pull this out, so it's like convenient. And then like here's what the inside looks like. And I bought this waxing kit for about like $37, and then like it has a dial, so it has off, on, medium, and it has high right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this, and I'm gonna put this right here. So it came with some what do they call these? Popsicle sticks with 4 of these wax beads. And so when I first opened the box, I only saw one, so I was like, why would they only give me one? But when you open like the top, you see these. But on Amazon, I also bought these as well. These are 3.5 ounces of wax beads, and I have this. So I'm gonna take you guys along. I'm so scared, but I'm gonna like show you guys how I'm going to do it, but I need to get all of the everything that I need first. So I was watching TikTok, and shout out to Kimmy for like sending me some like hard waxing videos. So I saw this one girl. So what she did first was she used this, like, I guess to like prime the skin, I don't know. So she put it down, and then you have to put the baby powder, because if you don't put this, the wax is gonna stick to your skin and not the hairs, and you don't want that. And then she used the waxing beads, and then she ripped it off. So I'm gonna like kind of like show you guys how I'm about to do this. And yeah, so stay tuned while you guys watch me melt the beads. So I'm about to take the hard wax beads and pour it inside. Y'all, look how pretty this is. Really pretty. Girl, I have one more. So okay, so we have, I really hope I did this right. Okay, so we put that in there, and then we're gonna put some of the blue. So we're gonna add this in. I don't think you want to overdo it. I think that should be fine. Okay, maybe it's not too much. Giving a nice purple hue. I think it's ready. I think so. All right, so I'm gonna prep the areas that are getting waxed, and you guys are gonna watch me scream because this stuff, I'm scared. Take my Thayer's Witch Hazel and put it on the area. So I have my cotton swab, and then I'm gonna douse it a little bit, not too much. And I'm gonna wipe. So I have deodorant on, so make sure you wear deodorant. But I'm gonna wipe the area. Don't judge my armpits, guys. Don't be rude. Alright, so yeah, so I want you guys to see. Okay, so I have basically primed my eyebrows. So the next step is I'm going to take the Johnson & Johnson baby powder. Okay. So I'm gonna put some of the baby powder on the cotton swab. I don't know if you guys can see it. Put a lot on, and then I'm gonna like put it on. That might have been a lot. So basically you want to get your area ready for what you're about to do to it. Gonna add a little bit more. Oh, I'm getting baby powder everywhere, but that's okay. Let's just put this down. So you're gonna get that started, and then I'm about to go get the waxing bowl so you guys can have the wax in this bowl. So now I'm just gonna do like a tester on my wrist or something, so I'm not gonna overdo it, and I want to test like how hot the wax is. So from what I see, like they go like this. And we're gonna look at my arm. So the direction of the hairs are going this way, so we're gonna put the wax this way. Okay, so as you can see, the wax is on, and then like you have to tap it down. Make sure that the wax has obviously dried. I'm so scared. And okay. So here was where the area is. And I don't know if you guys can see this. But yeah, okay. I know what I'm doing. A professional esthetician. I'm gonna do this in the way that I think, so the hairs are going down, so we're gonna put the wax up. Okay. Oh boy. Okay. So, oh, gotta wait, you know, have to make sure it's drying. Yo, this is my first time doing this. So we're gonna wait till it is dried, and then we have to rip it off. Why did I do this? This was probably not a good idea. Okay, let's make sure it is on there and then. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see that. This. Ooh. 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 Okay. I don't know if you guys can see that some of the hairs are coming off. Oh, okay.
AK Marv produced it.
Okay. not like OD painful, but you should make sure that the wax is not super hot because you don't want to burn yourself. So just touch, and you should be, if your hairs are going down, you should be putting it up, like the wax up in the opposite direction, I think, and then you wax. Yeah. Gonna find the corner, and then I don't know if you guys are seeing, but like, let me see. But like, hairs are coming off, so I don't know. Okay, I'm doing something. Okay. So wait, you go down, rip, and you're done with it. And then they're like fine little hairs. I don't know if you guys are seeing. And then that's what the area looks like. So I've come back to show you guys my progress. So I'm gonna put some witch hazel on my cotton pad, and I'm gonna wipe so you guys can see. And this is what my armpits look like. So yeah, give me a little thumbs up if you think that I did this shit. Okay. It's like, nah, but yeah. So I'm actually proud. I think I did a pretty good job. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do my leg really quickly. So first thing I'm gonna do is get my Thayer's Witch Hazel. And I currently do not have a cotton pad, so we're just gonna take it and rub it in. Okay? So after we do this, fan it out, make sure it dries, because if you put the baby powder surface, it's just gonna like muddle. You don't want that. So make sure that is dry. So it's dried. The next step is taking the Johnson & Johnson baby powder and yeah. Alrighty, so you're gonna take the stick and let me show you guys how I do it. So I'm gonna take, ooh. Please make sure that the wax is cooled. Ooh. Woo! Oh boy. Oh gosh, why did I do this? I'm sweating.
AK Marv produced it.
This is the area, and these are little hairs. Thank you guys for like tuning in and watching me wax one piece of my leg and my armpit. And so yeah, please like comment down below and tell me like if you have done like hard wax before by yourself, or if you haven't, and what was your experience. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys. Bye bye.
distraction. Yeah, 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 yeah.